If you're like me and most YouTubers, you would love to be monetized on YouTube. You dream about the lifestyle of simply making videos and getting paid for those videos and being able to talk to thousands of people and have influence there about whatever passion you have in life and then get paid to talk about it. I mean, that sounds like a pretty good lifestyle. But what is it that keeps you from this dream? Is it your lack of technical knowledge about how to upload to YouTube? Well, good news about that. There's lots of videos on YouTube that'll show you exactly how to do it. Are you lacking confidence and don't really know how to talk to a camera? Good news there too. Just start practicing and you'll get better. Are you afraid your videos won't do well? Or maybe you've tried in the past and they didn't do so well, and you're just not sure the right strategy going forward. Good news there too. Just start where you're at and get better over time. The simple reality is you don't have to start perfect. Start messy. Get better over time and you will eventually get to your goal. But the thing is, if you don't start, then you'll never get there. Start now, start messy, and you will achieve your goals. 2.5 years ago, I made a video on this channel. It's my third video on this channel. And that video was all about talking about how easy it is, or at least a simple plan for getting monetized in 1 year. Now that video really was about my wife's channel, and it did get monetized within that year. But if you look at this channel, I'm only sitting at about 300 subscribers right now. So I definitely didn't get monetized that first year. In fact, in 2.5 years of this channel, it still isn't monetized. So why is that? And why is it that I, who talk about YouTube and getting monetized on YouTube, why is it that my channel isn't monetized just yet? Well, like I said in that video 2.5 years ago, it all comes down to being consistent on YouTube. On this channel, I've taken at least 2 really long breaks. And whenever you take a really long break like that, that signals to your audience that you've kind of given up. And it's not even so much that your audience forgets about you, but it's kind of like you've forgotten about yourself. If it's your goal to get monetized on YouTube, or even just to grow a following on YouTube, you have to be consistent to post on YouTube. And you have to make every video a little bit better than the one before it. You have to hone your craft. You have to love doing it. I right now have 3 YouTube channels monetized. Not this one, but my wife's, my vlog channel, and also my product review channel. Each one of them had their own journey. Each one of them had their own time frame. My vlog channel was monetized in about 10 months. My wife's channel was also about 10 months to 12 months, I think. My review channel took about 1.5 years. And even right now, each one of these makes a different amount of money. You can't compare your journey with somebody else's journey and think, well, mine just doesn't measure up. Everyone's journey is different. And that's a good thing, because imagine if every channel was the same on YouTube. It would be a pretty boring place. So don't think just because your channel isn't monetized as fast as somebody else's is that you're a failure. No, commit to the process. Keep on making videos better and better. Enjoy what you do. Enjoy what you talk about in your videos. Don't worry so much about how fast it happens. Just keep on pressing on. And like I said in that video 2.5 years ago, eventually you'll get 3 subscribers a day, which equals 1,000 subscribers in a year, 11 watch hours every day, which equals about 4,000 in a year. And eventually you'll get monetized on YouTube. I know that you can do it because I've done it 3 times now. And if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.